Dear students, in this session, we shall learn about different types of surds under real numbers. Pure surd. A surd is called a pure surd if its coefficient in its simplest form is 1. For example, root 3, cube root of 6, fourth root of 7, fifth root of 49, they are all pure surds. Look at all these examples, just what I have mentioned. The coefficients of all these surds are 1. What is meant by coefficient? The number which is present before the surd. In all these surds, you will observe that the coefficient of the surd is 1. That is why we call these surds as pure surds. Now, a surd will be known as a mixed surd if its coefficient in its simplest form is other than 1. Now consider the given examples. 5 into root 3, 2 into fourth root of 5, 3 into fourth root of 6. In all these examples, you will observe that the coefficient is not 1, it is other than 1. Isn't it? In the first example, the coefficient is 5. And in the second example, the coefficient is 2. And the third one, the coefficient is 3. That is why these examples form a mixed surd. Next, let us learn what are simple and compound surds. A surd with a single term is said to be a simple surd. For example, root 3, 2 root 5, they are all simple surds because they have only one term. But whereas whenever there are more than one term, then we call that surd to be a compound surd. In other words, the algebraic sum or difference of two or more surds is known as a compound surd. Consider the examples that I have given you. Root 5 plus 3 root 2. Here it is a sum of surds. In the next example, root 3 minus 2 root 7. It is a difference of two surds. Next one, root 5 minus 7 root 2 plus 6 root 3. This is the sum and difference of three surds. Right? So, such surds wherein the algebraic sum or difference of surds we have is known as a compound surd. Next, let us see what are binomial surds. A binomial surd is an algebraic sum or difference of two terms, both of which could be surds, or one could be a rational number and another a surd. Consider the examples that I have mentioned here. 1 by 2 minus root 19. Here we have it as a difference of two terms. One term is a rational number, the other one is a surd. Coming to the next example, 5 plus 3 root 2. Here we have it as two terms. 5 is a rational number, but whereas 3 root 2 is a surd. The third example, root 3 minus 2 root 7. Here root 3 will be a surd and 2 root 7 is also a surd, but here we have it as difference of two terms. So like this, when we have a surd which is an algebraic sum or difference of two terms, both of which could be surds, or one could be a rational number and another surd, or such examples are known as binomial surds. I hope you are now clear with different types of surds. Thank you, students.